You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And the one I name Here Comes Trouble, Here Comes the Danger, episode 1 and episode 2. Alright. Me know no one's episode 3. You understand me? I say, me know, me not have to ask me, but I be span as me tell you already availability. Me gonna do episode 3. Because episode 3 will actually, start out everything. You understand? Me could have a conclusion. Me understand, me know. See, nobody feels say me don't know, because me don't know if you feel say, me don't want to do it, me want to do it, me want or is did it. But the availability at the time. So me have a beg you, please understand, based on that circumstances. You know what I mean? So forgive me for this one, all right? Here comes trouble. But me have drop this one, episode 1 and 2 together in the same place, because you don't know anything already. You know what I mean? I don't know how YouTube work, you know what I mean? So I just forget it. That's just so I can watch it, so I can bring it up to speed. Or who not did it yet can get brought up to speed. You does understand? Does you understand? Do you understand? Yeah, it does. Yeah, proper English. So yeah, man, we are definitely get that done very soon. And as always, my first thanks to all the people who must support the movement thus far and who just jump on board from, from which movement you see it and when I say, like thank you for subscribe, thank you for, there with me, show the whole thing and so forth. I really appreciate that, you know what I mean? To me long timers, trust me, love is the word, and we have to continue. Me have to continue, I couldn't know what I go and say, I appreciate it, just the same way. Where would I be without my long time family? Where would I be right now without my long time family? Family, yes. Give thanks to Uno, you know what I mean? Welcome on board. Watch episode 1 and 2 and then tell me what you think. And you know what I mean? We're going to jump back on certain things, you know what I mean? But for right now, we just drop them out for, clear out June, you know what I mean? So when June clear and July come, which is my birthday month, whoa, it's gonna be, hey, watch a movie, yeah? Big up on yourself and thank for support. And then we shall gather at some live stream or something. But yeah, until then, all right? Cool.
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
It's a constant battlefield, yeah. It's a spiritual field. Yeah. You can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstars. You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember when the church was a place for finding peace. Now the pastor office strapped with bees. Same on the time just we call police, cause them take too long to reach. And I remember when the liquor used to get the least. Now them in struggle for eat. Cause see that body's the end thing, good is out the system. Right there so the system reach. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're fighting for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Who will take the blame? Who will make a change? Are we living in a mental phase? Cause when I think about the greater ones who fought for us, oh, I wish I could keep in touch. Now it's our turn to keep the fire burning. Now it's our turn to keep this fire burning. You can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual
Walang yaman sa nagkasabi. Kasi niya tayo ko.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for.
The time me say I reach us so 3 o'clock. What time now?
Traffic.
The
road right down there, so I don't know
Arena
what happened.
Park.
Like police, they dig up the road down there so or something. I don't know what happened. But I think me care can give you still, you know.
Complete.
What owe you?
What you say?
I just want to look a
Yeah.
bit, man.
Hold on. What you say? What you say?
Me don't owe you, but I just want to look a bit. Just see with me now. Remember, say me not really depend on nothing now, you know. So
You
me
know
a
what
beg you.
say? Me literally tired to help you. Every time I come here, so you're short.
And every time I come, I shot. You know, say nothing not go on for me. And you know, say if something did go on for me, I would have give you full money. But me not have it now. Just see with me now.
So let me ask you a question. What you expect me to do? When every time you go out there, so I come back here, so is either it's short at 1 grand, it's short at 20, the highest is short at 30. Me can't constantly take money from out of my bag to put on that. Me have things to deal with, you know.
Me understand. But just see with me now. Remember, say me nothing not go on for me, you know. Just see with me, man. Do me a beg you.
But you say you want in other business, yeah? Because at this point in time, you know, you're not showing no interest, you know.
I'm not sure no interest and every time when me fi pay money me pop up. But it's just that me always short.
You evaluate.
I don't evaluate, but
You
remember,
need to be punctual.
listen, I don't have a car, you know. So me have to walk from all the way where me I come from, come here, so you know. So you have to understand, so I go take a little time. If me tell us, so me reach so that the time they put one little bit more time on it, because I walk.
Yeah, put one little bit more time.
And traffic there on the road, so you know, so when time things are going on the road, me go there tap and I look and I wonder what go on there, so.
So you go tap and look and wonder what go on there.
Yeah.
So you have things to deal with. You hear yourself?
Of course not, you miss.
Me not think you hear yourself. Give me what you have. You see what me talk about? How much of the figure can you give me?
I remember.
Father God.
5,000 with this figure.
I want this for me, dear Father. And how much this?
You don't have to make you word no say.
How much this? How much this?
A disgrace, you want disgrace me?
How much this? How much you can give me a while ago?
So where you go do?
When me go do?
Yeah, where you go do?
When me go do? You see? I'm going to put in next 3,500 pan it. And 1,500 this. This is not even half I cash.
Thanks.
This is a quarter.
You done?
But no make it happen again.
Me try.
I last chance you have. You can't go on there, you go now. Hey, me now, hey. Pinky.
Hi.
Oh,
Yeah, go on. Come in, girl. Okay, are you ready for that place?
no, that you know. I'm tired, me tired.
I'm there, cool out, girl.
Realize.
Look at breeze, that blow just nice. And nice.
If you're good for you, in a cool man.
So,
I'm there, go on normal. Say they're ready for me.
yeah, man, ready for you. Hey, sit down now. I move so.
No, man, you look like, say, we did plan. Why two we not see in your style?
Girl, I take me just to take off your hat to show you. Say, two of it in the same hairstyle, all the thing. Me catch it up in a so.
Oh, and me putting color in mine.
Where you are going? I see having a friend like you come like gold spoon in a mouth, girl. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You see, now them a time, yeah. I know every friend say them a take up money and lend their friend. You see some of them, they tell us that they have this for the with, they have that for the with, And I say just a drag in your face all when I need it the most.
True.
So you see a friend like you, no girl, me respect you. Me rate you for what you do.
You don't have to say 40, man.
Yeah.
Know more where that came from, no.
Respect your car.
Situation too, you know. And we get help out too.
True.
So that's why the help that me get, me I try to push it out back.
True.
Yeah.
I respect you for that, man, because you see, me did down, lowest point, and you just help me out. So I'm grateful, man. Don't really say, man, I have a team. Have a team, my friend. What is that?
Complete, not true. You see, a friend like you, me like no. Because you will tell me, you know America, you know one girl in America.
Yeah.
Me help out she too, you know. But the issue when me have with she now, you see when she borrow me thing and say, me will get it back such and such time, such and such day. Sometimes me have 5 hours late. We have to turn up and wait how long. When he do come, I like quarter time when he make come.
Alright,
Sometimes half. And another time none.
Alright, listen.
And me have to take it back out of my pocket and put penny. Me not like that
listen,
style
my friend.
because me will stop, you know. I true me not have that type of heart, you know. Me just stop long time now.
No, man, listen. What you don't understand is that, you know, she said she want him more. No, me just a say. She not have it in a girl. You
think
know
better,
fear, no man, you still not understand. You know fear situation. You know the little thing what she did in her that day. Or G and her and bring her down. Because she, you know, she said she not have it. You can't. So there's something there.
Girl, what you talk about? What you talk about? How you feel mix business with friendship? Me not depend that. For you borrow me thing and tell me a specific day, you're supposed to give me that pan the specific day, and you're not supposed to be short. Cause when you come to me not say, link me such and such day, or me not have enough. Me just take it out and give you. I'm a matter of fact, right now, me just cut it long.
You want a little water?
Me don't want no water, just cut the conversation. Me is not that type of person, no. But you see, when we come on to my thing, me no run joke.
Well,
None tall.
it is what it is. Me say, the girl not have it.
Well, she stopped
And
her
you
then.
know that too. So what kind of friend you say you be then? If your friend borrow something from you and she don't have it back in time for you, what you go do? You go name her forehead?
That's not the point. If you not have it that specific, you simply text me and tell me, say, alright then, me not have enough, you know, or me not get to reach pan this a day, me meet you somewhere else. Or me will come give you such and such time. But no, she not text and tell me that. If 1 hour late, they have to turn up in a sun. You know, you have to turn up in a sun. Plus, me have on this long old piece of hair. I cut it out right now. Listen, me did that on the low and me try to build back myself. And it a reach a one spot where it come like it a tear me back down. You know how me have to work for my money? You know how me have to work to make money go in my pocket?
So where you try to say me? I make it like I'm a bad person.
I saw you make me look.
No. I your stupidity. Make it look like one bad person. It make it look like one damn idiot sitting right beside of me.
Me not take disrespect from people, yeah? Me don't take disrespect from people. So you know what me I gonna do? Me gonna left your place. That me I gonna do, because me not take disrespect from people.
I say the dance. Me say I say the dance. If you say me and your friend so long, I say you the really dance, girl.
What you just say?
Me say if I see you the dance. If you say me and your friend so long.
Want bet to regret what you just say? You want bet me? Bet you figure out who you talk to?
What you say?
Oh, bro, me draw.
What you say?
Okay, expect me to run, not true.
No, what you say? What you say? what you really say? If me want regret what? In my own place, you come in and say, cause me want regret what?
No say 40 years.
Mama, come out of my house.
No say 40
Come out.
years.
Go on out of my house. Come out. Come me say, hey girl, me sweep your out.
No say 40 years.
In a 1 second, me do that.
Our next guest coming. Just watch your head.
I wish next guest me have come. And the next guest come kiss me, hey girl. Bust up on your face now. Bright and hotter than rubbish. Why? Don't ever come in my mind. No. I'll call you one. Alright. Alright. Marika. Boy, I don't know what you do, Amanda. I don't know what you do that a girl about. Where you there? Where you there? Which part on the road? Alright, may I forward now here? Yeah. Why? Max. This girl head really cheap on for me because she could have never come in my house or do that. Rubbish. Girl, let's see a bamboo tree there.
It did not take too long to come, so I come up here, so.
Anyways,
Oh,
I don't know how you do Amanda she. But the girl have you up for something. Imagine. Amanda come to my yard and I tell me say you borrow money from her you can't pay back.
I just
You're not-
3,500 me forget Amanda.
She say you not pay on time and one bag of things she a chat out her mouth and rate it. So my life you know what make she have you up for.
I don't know what. Wait, you know what I feel like a from school days Amanda have me up, you know. One time she did like Bulby, but Bulby never like she. And me Bulby did like. So that's the problem. So true Bulby choose me over she. So she hate me from the in time there. But true, you know, say well we are friends from school days, me they go through my problems. Amanda no one likes Amanda no know. She know all of me I go through.
So.
So me go borrow from her. And she know say me I go through my local struggles, so me pay her back when me got it. If me didn't have him, would have pay her.
So what on there? So girl is still vex over man. Anyways, you two enough do car. If you know say the girl vex with you over the man, where you gonna borrow from the girl for?
Me never know say she still have me up. Look how much years that boy 4 years now. And she still have me up over that.
All I can talk about how me go regret what me just say and me go meet somebody. Me have to say, girl, come out of me house before me bust up your face.
Amanda going like him
Oh.
too bad. That me not like with him. Him too high.
But anyways, you need to pay the girl. I let me come to tell her say, pay the
Me pay
girl.
her money when me get the money. And Bobby worthless too, you see. Me don't know what kind of man that me have. And he not even that help me go through my local struggles that me I go through. All thing ain't good for go up on road, smoke and argue with friends and something. Not even no time, no work, nothing at all.
Well, I'm the only one have sense. Cause me no go pick up no man who can help me. Anyways, me I can't go that's here.
So you can lend me 3-5 forget Amanda.
Why, my friend? Me tell you the truth, I have to go check me tomorrow. I want little money I come in the morning from my man. You understand? So you have to go check me. Just check me. Or matter of fact, to call me first. Yeah?
Alright. No
And then I
problem.
can get it.
Yeah, man, tomorrow.
Yeah, later.
Ah.
What go on, baby? They are wait for me do you cook yet?
That's all a good for.
What?
Where you come here and say, what go on my baby for? Eh?
One dream me
Me
get a
can't.
man.
What kind of dream I get? So you,
Winning lotto number. So you go on with different way.
give me money where you have. Cause right now you
Which
know
money?
the crisis you're making now.
Which
And
money?
you come here and say, come talk about your dream still at a number.
I mean winnings. We are winning no baby. Don't worry about money man. We are winning money.
That's
That's
all.
why I gamble hard. Because my dream say we are going to win the lotto.
So make every time you have to blow a smoke in my face.
I'm out.
Give me, you
Show
don't
us.
care no money, come give me. Oh, give me money we have now.
We just buy cash pot. I tell you.
Jesus Christ, the man use it.
I tell
How
you
much
say
money are you- how
my
much-
dream see lotto and I win it. In a lotto my dream see number them. So I buy them with the money when I do figure. We might win money and we might lose,
That's
but
Christ. This a man that come like you know no sense. In money when you forgive me, Bulby. Mean to God, you got gambling while I money, Bulby? If while I money, you got gamble?
I know me, you know. I when me reach I place the temptation I place just tempt me have to just start gamble. Just the place alone. I don't have no money left till we win look more.
Oh, you sure say you go win?
Me say me
Dream no walk straight.
my friend buy it to say if me not win him I go win.
If you know, you
Yeah.
hear yourself, you say your friend buy it too. I see him number your friend buy.
No, I know the same number him get for him dream, me get for me dream.
So why you wanna get dream?
Me no know it's like a sign God a show say we are gonna win.
Oh, the mama, blows and skirts.
And the last
and
money
go
me
on
just
that
take
stuff.
and buy craving here, cause you know me can't go without
Give me a
craving
craving,
here.
give me a craving here. Look, this is your way some money. God,
So me can deal with my craving here, so.
yo, Bulby,
Mm.
God know me not feel like this will work out, you know. Because every time I then sitting there, you do, every time you give more money, is either you go gamble or you go buy weed for go sell back somebody, and then that no work out, and that not go work out. Every time you give me money, you gone down the drain.
Where you want me do?
More money, me have people for pay back.
Where you want me go TV?
If I that, I forgot to do, yeah, I forgot to do it.
A
you know.
TV you want me go TV? So if me not have it, where you want me do? Me go take your last money and buy cash pot cause my GMC winning number.
But me tell us, me need the money,
And
me in
cigarette.
need that money.
Me no remember, you know, when me reach right around there, so me remember everything, you know, say, you say you want the money. Me no remember. What you want me do?
I
Me see
better say
winnings.
if you did want something, you would remember say you want something. But if you give me money,
Then
you
no,
don't
that's why me come
remember.
and ask you if you cook, cause me remember say you did go cook. So me have to, remember you say you go
Brother.
cook.
So I food I remember. So how for money go use buy food stuff to cook?
Then think you have food stuff over there.
Me not
already
have
to cook.
no over there to cook.
So
No,
when me
no
have
over
so
there. Me no know where you go yam. Me no know. Cause go on your mother yard, go on your friend yard, go on somebody else's yard go yam. Nothing on the yam tonight. And you cannot sleep
Wow.
at the house tonight. I'm not gonna be there.
So true you're not gonna be there, me not be sleep there.
Yes.
What kind of woman you say?
What kind of man you say you be?
Yeah, opportunity we a look fit me and you want to go and ask me what kind of man. Alright, right now I'm winning bomba lotto right now. I know you go glad and I know you go want more than way me forget.
Oh God, you're not winning yet. When you win, we cross that bridge. But like you're not winning all, let we stay right here. So
So you say you want me do? Go thief. Me not go thief, you know, cause police right now, me say them a beat man hard out there, you know. And me not go out there, you know, go sit down because you know when me go thief and carry money come give you watch me go to jail and you there road and enjoy for yourself. What you take me for? Me have to take my time, my friend. Remember say no work now and go on. So I have to make sure say
Enough construction what me see a go on down there, so go and go push
me no
two
see
barrel.
them, me no see them.
Oh, you know what you mean?
Me no
You're
see them.
blind?
You look so, but me no see them. Me no see them, me no see them, me no see them.
What you mean you not see them, Bulby? Alright, me go carry down
No, me no want you carry me down there neither, but me no see them.
Me
Me no want you carry me down there neither.
What me I do with you? What me I do with
Me
you?
no-
You come like some crosses in my life.
Boy, I saw you go, you know. Remember say, you know, a one cross God carry and sometimes we have to carry more than one sometime. I just saw you go. I just life.
Bulby,
Mm?
Bulby,
Mm.
me need money. Me want money. Me in need of money. Me a struggle. Me need money.
And I mean you need it
And
from.
you know what?
Come
Later, me not
Give me my
say
craving here, you know.
me a dash you.
Me want that show me craving here for. If me not have me craving here, me can't hold a medicine
Me
with
no
the next money. You
business.
know. Jaja. Alright, yeah, I'm going down on my virgin.
Yeah,
What happened?
you good?
Good man. Like, I'm surprised, you know, tell me say tomorrow you come.
Baby, know you go already, you know. Tomorrow deadline. Tomorrow. I'll be forward by tomorrow, but I don't know my thing go.
Nice.
So what happened?
Me there here. You alright?
So far, so good. It's like, I want to come spend the night with you, but you know, I go already, I can't really stay too long for certain spots. You don't know anything, you know?
I'm if you say you sleep. You don't
Come on.
sleep here tonight.
No, you are going. That me I come sure from tonight, say. I go on the commission, but I can't too tarry. You know what I mean? Can't too tarry. Are you alone there?
Yeah.
Your friend will come and pass through.
Amanda did pass through.
Amanda.
Yeah.
She come back?
Yeah.
Eh?
She did pass through earlier.
What you said to me?
Yeah.
Nice. You know, so them girls still not tell us straight and plain, don't make them come back to your place. Don't make them come back to your place. Enough things are going on you know about, but them the girl them mix up in a whole heap of things. You understand me I say? Sometimes them come around you and you know, you're not going to know until it's too late. So don't make nobody see you and she a par, a talk, a link up certain way, kind of make no sense. You not take money from her.
Just one time me did borrow.
You not take money from her.
Just one time me did borrow from her, but me give her back her money.
Listen to me I say. What you have me for? Eh? What me big in your life? Talk to me now man and stop going like you want to
To
hold up
take
things.
care of me and take care of all of my expenses them.
No that man. What you have man fight? Me a Manhattan?
No,
Eh?
me did borrow it before she go away. So when she come now, me give her back her money.
Yo, I'm tell you this. Is either you with me or you with them. It can't be me and you and them. Cause I done tell you already right now, if you never know that girl and mix up in her things. Nobody feel say sometimes some people that live some life and look some certain way, feel like say them clean. They're not clean, girl. You ask me, I say, it's a fear man will give her money. And money, a man give her, you know. And make she come up certain way, you know. So don't make she trick you with all these things and feel like say she work for her. She don't work for nothing. You understand me, I say?
Yeah, me understand.
You hear what I'm doing, and when you do here? I just a
You
front
know.
piece one, eh?
You know what I do? I just the edges them, me sleep them off.
You sweep them off.
Yeah.
You are going. Tomorrow I have the commission. See? But listen, I can't carry this. I'm going to lock it off for me. See?
Jesus Christ. No.
You want
Me
to lock
can't,
it off? You mean say,
me can't lock it off. Me no want to mix up in them or something. Yeah.
listen to me.
Me-
Don't bother the foolishness. You sure it's you alone there?
I mean alone.
You're going to stick for me. That me I talk about. You know, man, they sell me one thing, but it's like it has stick.
Fine, what is so?
Oh, listen to me, I say, yo, I'm a professional, man. It's me I talk about. Carry this for a mission now, man. I have to feel, watch I gonna stick. Imagine me go up on a mission now and say me I got fire. And can't fire. Eh? Hold on, I'm soon clean up. Me I talk about the man and give me a thing right now. Yo, see right now, a man better give me back my money, you know. That me I talk about, you know. Can you imagine me, is a man time to come check in, babe? And come drop it off, you know.
So why you not leave there something there alone?
Yeah, your mouth. Yeah, what you say? If me leave this alone, you know, see me back here, sir. That me I tell you, hold on 3 bullets here. So I want to get free, man. The my thing I protect you. 200,000 back. So I say, you know, I see me tomorrow. And I can't carry them stuff with me because I'm not sure, see it? So that I will lock off. So if no man to follow one or so, you know, if you use it. You squeeze this up. And you squeeze this up, pull this up. You understand? Yeah. Just like that.
So how you put in them back? How you put in back you bullet
You
them?
bullet them. Right there, sir. You see yes or no? This are the
Alright, let me
thing of
see.
bullet. No man, left you alone. Enough in the field. Easy squeeze. See? So apart from everything good.
Yeah.
I'm long to see your girl. I'm gonna feel like I'm gonna take a quickie. Come in.
Yeah, me dey go normal. That's our next topic.
Watch ya. You're back in
Hold on,
town.
me too call back.
Looking beautiful as ever.
Mm.
No say a mama me di say me a carry the mango you go give but me see you. Them nice you see.
You see?
Awa.
From the time, me and you used to, well, we used to go to same school. And me know to God say you didn't know say me like you.
You do like me?
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Yo. How are you there? Come check me from Come check me up on my yard. No.
My mind. Oh.
Oh, go on.
Come in, again.
What happened? What happened?
Me can't trust you.
I mean, of course I can't trust me with the money you give me. Oh,
Me have the money figure, you know.
yeah. So,
But. There's something. Me I go show you. And make sure say. Me no go hear it back out in the streets.
what happened? Oh, idea. How you fit take out them in the hard place open up so? Hmm? You want people see and call police for you?
Alright, listen. Open back the door, you see round so? A private place.
Me not open the door.
Listen up. You see round so? A private place. Nobody not come round so. I tell you. Nobody. You see all the way somebody come round here. I me call somebody round here. Watch you know. You know if you use it.
What do you mean? What do you want to know about it?
Alright, you want know how to put it.
I don't know.
You want to know how to put it in the bullet. Or to take out. Right?
Where bullet go?
Hey. Huh?
Give me bullet now. Then I know empty.
Mama, you know about this something here?
Girl, my father have bullet for them sitting here now. So this when me they grow up now. My father used to show me my sister how to use them. So I suck on we know how to use them. And you just sit so. Yeah, me give you my little one.
No.
When I take out vacation then when I feel have them in.
Yeah, but me want to learn, me going to do it now. Show you.
You want to do it now, show me?
Yeah. So,
who get this?
you don't worry about that.
Make sure say no bang around here, you know, because me know want if was so me go take this fire and put my hand pan here, I'm not even know who fight. See, me hold on my fingerprint gone pan now. If police ever catch you, me you gonna jail, cause fingerprint the fan. Jesus Christ, you know, for you.
Alright. Listen now, Mama. Cause
Put on gun.
you see right now, I catch this in a no time. I'm respect you for that.
Mm-hmm.
You want to go on now. You know me,
Murder! You don't know if you was gonna never find the palm of Jesus Christ. Put on gun. Put on your gun.
Mama, you can't just simple go so. Show you. Cause this a stick. Can't just simple go so. And clap on your head.
Hey! Give me a gun.
Listen now,
Give me
relax
a gun.
yourself, man. Just relax
Put on
yourself.
your gun, man. You don't know if you
Relax
was gonna
yourself.
hear the panty palm people.
Relax yourself. You never know if it who to put in them and would have turn either right now and still have
So the idiot your turn.
How are you that me turn? Listen,
Cause you're
Mama.
panty palm me. That simple means you're turn idiot.
Listen, Mama. They are come from far though. They are friend. How much years now may I have friend?
12 years.
Alright, so me can't. Huh?
12 years.
12 years.
12 years. How much years?
Alright, don't worry yourself. Me can't hide nothing from you.
Go
You know
on.
say I'm a man. Carry on, give me the lock off.
How can I recommend my police?
Mama, just cool, no man. You want a police. But give me this off the lock off. I feel bad, you know. When she show me inquisitive and me want to know how to use this shit, me have to call you. Because remember, you
So
know,
yet.
if Quacker can't catch his shot, he shot where more catch.
Hurry.
Okay. So me flippy. So you are going now. Don't tell nobody, say. Me show you this.
Girl, I look like informer. So I can be a call. What can I call Amanda?
You're mad. Call Amanda. You must be sick in your head. Watch you now. Oh, you run a while ago, you know. I feel like 2 years ago and people go lay all a things say sitting and happen over here, you know.
Yeah, cause you say, Rupa come here. Me have to feel like something wrong with you. That's why I run come over here.
Watch you now, Mama, just watch you. Later, me call you. Do
So
right.
give me money you have to give me.
That check good right now, I don't know what me have to
Yeah, right.
do. Me bum. A long time I see man like you still in my G.
Real talk, man. Real talk. We know you think already.
What go on? Cause I know you only just pull up so suddenly, you know, if I know nothing go on now. What go on?
Real talk, man. But here I go and see. Based on circumstances, you're gonna need the services to come start one of the thing.
No, what you talk about? What you talk about?
Brother, I don't know few thing already, brother.
No man, right now, to me see it, you know, my brother, right now. What the police boy they hold me. Blow up on cash and be things are going on for my life. Right now, then what day me get locked up. You know, the man they said to me if they ever see me back out there, a
What?
problem.
So you're afraid of police?
I'm not afraid of police, my brother.
So what then?
No man.
Brother, you can't afraid of us, brother. That's how we start from, brother.
No man.
See? And
Oi.
because your thing cut down, now you feel
No,
like... Yo,
no, I don't cut down, my friend. I don't cut down, say that, man. Watch out, man.
So what then?
You know, say me is not a man for bail out for certain things.
So what you
know,
do now?
But watch out, no, man.
What you do right now?
Right
No
now,
bail,
right
bail,
now,
bro.
police are watching by you. Police are watching.
if it's a
brother.
police don't
No,
watch
me don't know if them are watch you. They
You
never.
feel the police don't watch me?
You see,
Brother,
there when they hold me, they never hold you. So you never got your interrogation when me got you just because me no want uno get beat up. You see it?
Yo.
I know you're
Yo,
going to tell
yo,
me, say me. If
Listen me I say.
yo, it makes sense to go on, you know,
Listen me
you.
I say.
Makes sense to go on, because I can't manage food, no.
Well,
Can't manage food, no.
Yeah.
Style, you know.
Look, I have to change that plan. See?
Can't manage food, no style, man. You have to
Yeah,
go
so-
on, man.
Me so far.
Right now,
Yeah,
me
me so
have
far.
plans.
Listen me I say. See?
Me have plans
What kind
right
of plans
now.
you can have, bro?
Yeah, man, with my life.
Hustler life
Yeah,
will
man,
start
no,
out
man,
in
right.
and
Yeah,
continue.
you start out hustler. Me
We
never
live
was a
by the gun and we die by the gun, bro. That's
No.
how things. I Bible say it, you know, no me say it, you know.
Alright.
So
Go
what
on,
you
go-
have to right now?
Watch out, man.
No.
Make sense. Watch out, you see if you go die by a gun, no die yourself, you know. Make sense. You go down, let's go die.
Brother, remember say...
No, man.
Yo,
Oi,
you know,
watch-
listen to me. I be a talk, you're talking.
Ah, what you say?
Listen to what me
Alright,
I
what you
right
say?
now.
What you say?
Right now, me have 500,000 to collect in a night.
Mm-hmm.
How much you have in your pocket? Not even $1.
No, man. Watch out, man. No
Because
worry about that.
me I hear what go on, you know.
My baby, them
listen
make
me, I
me
say,
get
no, man,
things.
brother, you know, listen to that problem, bro. Sometimes you have to listen, bro. You can't just chat, so brother. You understand me, I say? Me, I say it again. Me have 500,000 for collect. How much you have in your pocket? Answer a question, you're a man or mouse. Answer a question. Talk now. How much you have in your pocket right now? You don't have no money right now, bro. You think pop down. You think me not hear what I'm going, bro? I should me not debout. Brother, phone and social media make it think close right now. So distance don't mean nothing. You see for your girl right now.
Oh, no, all your talk, you know, make sense to me for true, you know.
You make sense.
That makes sense to me, my G.
I just say thing there.
I just say it right now.
So right now if
Yeah, man. Anything right now, because I try to look a better life and it come like, you know, and pull me back in my life where I run from. You see it? Oh, no, make man go.
Yes, sir,
No,
you're there.
brother, no.
Brother,
You
there's
can't
no,
tell me when me there.
brother, there's
You
no,
can't tell me
there's
when me
no
there. No,
retreating from where you start from where you build from. Brother, me build the thing, you know.
Yeah.
And right now, them a say, boy, for me soldier, drop him style and standard. Brother, that make me look bad as a G in the street, you know. And if you know that. No, you are my soldier. And I must see you every time and I say, boy, you know, public thing pop down. You're mad. Nothing can go so, bro. Right now, me I tell you, if you do so, because you know, yo, so for me, woman, me tell you this if you never know. For your woman, a brethren.
Mm-hmm.
For your woman, a borrow money from one. Yo, you can't have your woman and my borrow money, you can make money, Jay. You understand me? I say, think about it, man. And I say, think about it, I give you 5 minutes to think about it.
Watch out, my
Because,
father.
brother, I say, if they hold you, you know, you can't call my name and shout me, you know. That me I tell you, you know.
Then that go on what day?
Eh?
Then when they hold me what day, me no see no man, you know.
Yeah, because both, brother, you know, so I kill by thing there, bro.
Yeah, me no see no man, you know.
Yeah, you can't see
Yeah.
this, so the money reach back now.
Ah, money reach back.
Yeah.
And you have to go Kaliki.
Yeah.
You did go to Cuba with them, though.
No, me
you didn't
alone,
go.
me alone, brother, you not here, you know.
Me answer a question, me ask them.
And me alone forward over there, so.
Okay, and
So-
you making money. So where money there where you go over there so far? And you go over there now
Yeah.
and you say you make
Yeah.
500,000
Yeah.
where they now?
Brother, the money for collect now.
You
That
man
me I
tell me
try
about
you.
collect. You
So
go
if
over
the money
the
for
field.
collect right now, me just don't want to go there by myself and then no have to pick up those strap. Because the boy them give me a strap, but
Chano.
the strap a stick, bro.
Chana,
You understand me,
I lost apps me depend with the today, you know. I change my life, you know. I lost apps.
We
this
change
day,
this
you know.
life.
I lost apps me depend with the today. Watch
You
out.
change to life. What you talk about? Life is, you have one life we have to live. You can't exchange life. You can't go and shop to buy life.
Make sense,
Eh?
me just live from around here, you know.
And that you
Nothing
say.
to do, you know.
Alright, may I give you one decision right now.
Hmm.
If you step out of that zone right now, you don't know sit up on your own. Your decision.
Chana man, I lost apps me depend, man. I don't care if I want to depend on my own. Right now, me I lift up.
If you lift up from yourself out of that zone, yeah, remember every lion have them pride. This is my pride right now. Because we start the thing. So you decide what you do. 5, 4, 3.
Don't make up my mind, you know. I figure no more, you know. You Chana man, you see, since you now left, me you do it right. Look at now, we link it right way. Because I feel like so now I'm going to make me go back to Bombay prison.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Babe. May I come link for the back here? 2 minutes. Meet me when I back. Don't say nothing, man. That's easy. Take out the money time. Now forward. Everything there, sir. You take out the money? Pinky, where you going now? Eh? Where you going to live? You play the gun house?
Why?
Pinky, where you going now, Pinky?
It's like something there.
Eh?
It's like something there, you know.
You mean something to me? Yo.
Listen to me. Why you come back feet so fast?
We
You
need to
never tell me, say. Me if you go and lock you off, so why you come back feet so fast?
Well, Pinky, don't make me feel and think certain way or pre certain way. Yo, may I talk to you? Talk to me. What's it in your ears? What's me I talk to? Hello?
Listen to me. Me know why the man hang, me no don't do it.
Go for my things right now, fast.
Go
Quick
in
and
the
fast.
house, go fit yourself.
Oh, how you think you talk to? Eh? Yo, how you think you talk to? Who you think you do? Eh? Go for your things for me fast. Quick and fast. I no question me, I no ask me, you know. Go for your things, man. Yo, Jay. Yeah. Yeah, man, look at change the plan. Look at change the plan. Look at change the plans. Yeah, man, I want look a violation of going and I'm going to start out certain things. See? Yeah, me soon forward. Yeah. Pinky!
Now come.
Yeah, man. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Yeah, we might need a new soldier. I know me now got step to certain things by myself. Me want to. Yeah.
Yo. Now we are dealing.
How you do? What you do?
You say for now we are dealing.
Yo.
Eh? Hey boy, now we are
Yeah, I'm
dealing.
so sure
You
about.
say if you know who we are dealing. You want me bust a shot in your face.
So you play with the gun?
Lift up from me yard.
Pinky,
What
now
me say
we
for you? What me say for you? Lift up from me yard. Idiot. Boy, you come back and choke me.
Alright.
Now we are playing with.
Alright. I see you like it.
Lift up. I know where you are the boy. That's like an idiot, man. Fool.
Ball star, I pray. I pray now, my jagger.
There, man. So you just there, so build back, so. They
Boy.
can even look out here, eye them.
No, say, no, some phone me depend on night time, them. Go on freestyle.
So you move.
How me fear move, and
So I go on, where you going stay?
young normal, my boy. Leave her to watch it, you know. Me just go and live. Right now, till me see it.
So you know hear from here, boy.
Who that? Ranks.
Yeah, man, Bronx, man.
I'm to him.
Nothing happened to him.
Hear from him what day, man. I tell me say me and him go for one apps, but right now I'm on one different vibes, you know, my boy. Right now.
Different vibes.
Yeah, man. Right now, I just go on now, man, my brother. I just go and live, smoke my craving here. You know them way there?
No,
And
them
buy
way
me
there,
cash pot and lotto. Because I must win one day, you know.
You move like a old boy, you know, man, Bulby.
Kind of old boy, yeah, man. What
You
you
shake
talk
up,
about?
man.
Shake up how? But say what day I go up jailhouse, you know, dog. I mean, see none of you know, me alone, you know, bad man. So what you tell me about shake up for? What?
We
What
know
you talk
that,
about?
bro. You know, say, them the time there, like night pass, man.
Pass away. Brother, you see if you go in your experience, and the experience, you know, attack this bad man. You see me, that's why me I try
Time
avoid the whole
change,
argument,
you
the
know,
whole
dog.
bombard 9 yard me I try avoid right now.
I tell you the truth, now. You alone, me, I'll tell this, you know, dog. Use up all some of Bronx money, you know. Do a little investment, dog. You see it? So you know how that go already, dog. You see it? Kind of link me from when. You know how long now you know link me? Yeah, man. So me just say, you know, I use it, but I make it dog get it back, you know.
Tell us what you call link me, my boy, but feeling vibes are not my vibes, you know, because I want to go do things that I not depend right now, you know, my dog. Right now, I change all my life right now, and as I tell you before, you know.
Like your badness, water down, man, Bulby.
I say so, man.
Yeah, man, you water down, man.
No, man, I say so, man.
Yeah, I get a brand new tool, you know. Yeah, bro, see that.
No, so I don't even want to hold you, you know, because...
I'm going to go make you hold it,
what you carry and show me it for?
Come here, make you see say you thing up, my dog, no boy, man.
See me there, I got grab me, but me take me and me pull back me right now.
Like a badness still in you, bro, yo.
Man, no.
Believe.
No, you know me right there, so right now me I try to avoid the whole badness, my friend. In real life.
Check me, come check if you see if you're good still in, bro.
Good,
Okay, you know.
boy.
Yeah, with dog, you see, you done hold you out for you see me, you not say a word.
Boy, I just show you didn't even know you.
So you say?
And I'm there, dog, I go on normal as me tell you before. I'm not depend on one, depend right now, my dog. Tell you the truth.
Boy, Bulby, you know, say I move like a waste, man. You know, hold this, sir.
Dog, you eat that, my youth.
What do you mean?
Kind of good.
You move shaky bad man, you put on your badness for.
You put on the badness, brother.
What do you mean you put on the badness about cash pot and this and that, brother?
But are they foolish?
You look like me a laugh. You look like me a laugh. You look like me a laugh. Yo, hold this.
General,
Killer, what you do with?
there man, I pray.
I don't say.
At what time on your phone?
At that time, just that time. I tell you, just that time.
I used to link you such and such time, I'm there so almost over the time we used to link you.
I don't know things, you know, traffic. We can't drive and move like normal people. You know, can't do things different. But really and truly, I say still,
You know, remember what you want to say?
I don't matter that, but you have to do a thing for me.
You know, for me, thing already, you know, loyalty, you know.
That is
say
it.
anything, you know.
That is it.
Stepfather, mother-in-law, and some of my sister them too. So
No,
just tell me what
that
I want.
man, I say, I have to shout you. Here we go now, you see. I get violated by one girl who used to link up. I don't know if I remember one girl named Pinky.
Hold on, you get violated.
Violated, brother.
And you want it.
No, here I know. You see, sometimes when you play yourself careless and you let them a guard, you know, that I result. You know what I mean? Because sometimes you trust some people, you feel like you
Alright,
can't
just
trust.
go and talk and we fix up back again.
Yeah, man. So what I want you to do, you know, wipe her out for me, you know, and thing. But do it in a one way where you're not going to lead back to me, you know? Like maybe, like you take out some things out of our house.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Or plug out the Wi-Fi when you pick up back.
Yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah, something like that. Because brother, I tell you, say, I really and truly don't want to do it, but...
So one question. A good girl or he get trouble? Trouble maker, you know.
You see the thing about good girl now, sometimes you have to admit, say it before, I say it again. You have to differentiate the good from the girl. Because some girl, you know, them good in the butt. Them far
No, the
from,
question
you know?
what me I say, if a girl look a credit a shop where owe people, Because me want to go credit a shop on your old people. Anything happen to you, know, shopkeeper. No
That
business.
is it. That is it. So
You
right
get what
now,
me say?
yeah, right there, sir. So I mean, I said just do that for me and do it proper, cause
So
I
you
tell
want
them,
it ugly?
chide.
You want it ugly?
As
Dark? Or you want it?
I'm tell you, I don't want nothing trace back to me right now. So
Alright,
just
no
do it as
sorry,
clean
no
as possible.
sorry, no sorry.
You know what I mean? Innocent.
Alright.
You know?
You
Yeah.
need to link me and me know see you.
You know, just the way I do, cause you don't know anything going
Watch out, man.
But no, I can't just say no.
And me know you link you.
That is it.
Anything you say, talk about me. Big up yourself.
Alright, so
You go different though.
just ring the bird and let me know when you're done.
You have
know what I mean?
ambition?
Right away.
Alright, no say 40, my brother.
See?
Yeah, man.
Alright.
You have lighter?
No, I'm left with by my base.
Alright, me get one. Big up yourself.
Alright. Respect our manners and thanks again. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cause, a favor is a favor.
Yeah, no sorry, my brother, man.
Alright.
One more work again. Can't play my work.
I go and fetch her.
There in the Bronx, so go on.
And then when I done my thing, go.
I'm a lady, you want to come check me, you know. I will go and feed soldier them.
Man, them have to do them work, you know. Every man have to eat them food, you know. You know,
True,
some people want to
true.
come boss and all them things. You know, you go already.
No, that, man.
So how things do? Everything level?
No good, you know, man. No, I feel like say I hide for you know, come I need to hide for no man. You see me?
Know that.
It just check me right time and I just get the SIM card and drop it in. You see it? And so comes they reach out to me.
Oh, cause
Yeah.
at one point, I really wonder still, you know, how I really are going.
No, man, Bronx, if you wonder that.
That I truth, you know. Real youth, no real youth.
You mean?
So really and truly are the funds we forward for still, you know. They, you know. Remember that thing that we say go and hold on pan. Cause we get kind of tied up on certain circumstances. I'm saying,
Boy, Bronx, tell you the truth, you know. You use up the funds, you know.
when you say use up, it means like you use up few funds.
No, man. Funds where you are going to check me about right now, I tell you something use. You see me one little thing I'm fidel to it. And you say, no, I don't want to use it.
Laugh, man. Laugh, no, man.
Bronx, a serious thing me I talk about, Bronx. Use up the funds, bro.
I think you remember, say, when I started out rope straps, they said to me, say, you can't go to Cuba because certain circumstances, you're afraid of water.
Yeah,
remember?
man, the seasick business, you know,
Yeah.
I'm not too like this.
So, you have to use the money, yo, bro.
You take too long to check me, bro.
What do you mean something take too long to check you?
Not tell us say you would. Look how much days, look how long now you're not check.
Yeah, because I don't tell you something, I have to lay low on circumstances, same circumstances what, you know, make you have to lay low too. But
Yeah.
me I say, no make it sound that way, because right now I must joke here, make Fletcher.
No, sorry, real something, man.
Eh?
Real something, man. I may even use that man and get all the chip, bro. Use some of my money and get all the chip, because you know something not too one good. Make nobody have my name, man. You see me? So, you know, a back deal. This is it.
Fletcher joke here, that's true.
So, if you go wait till me just bingo back, bro, and make you get back
What do
your
you
money.
mean bingo back? I don't understand. So, alright, push come to shove. How long you talk about now?
Yeah, month end, so.
Month end, brother?
Yeah, bro.
I second I month now, you know. So, I'm gonna stammer, brother. So,
Just give me some time, Bronx.
I can't get, bro. You can't say that right now and make me feel like, say, boy, I serious. I must joke, I joke. I'll right now I feel like I joke. I know you're a joker, you know.
But make me serious right now, Bronx. Real serious. I tell you, use the funds, bro. God no.
Brother, 6 months, you know. 6 months me outside.
And
you want to tell me,
Bronx, and I need to show it.
No, I'm not talking short, brother, but in any situation, right? If I'm in a union case right now, I'm gonna need my things because guess what, I'm work for it, bro. You know what I mean?
So yeah, try to say, Bronx, I say, I get back the funds, bro.
Yeah, but you can't tell me about mountain, brother. Mountain?
Bronx.
One of fear, you know, brother.
Bronx,
That me I tell you, you know.
A mountain, me say, bad man. What you say?
You say,
You see all the thing where you give me a look like that? Nah, working us all the Monday right now, you have to give back to you know.
You mean give back
You,
money?
you mean? But everything good, man.
Ranks, when me sell you me thing, bad man, it a work. What you try to tell me say? Me no respond to that again.
Betcha, so that road you take?
I don't know road me I take Ranks. Me say me I give you money mountain, bro.
Mountain?
Mountain, Ranks.
Mountain?
Yeah.
I'm a boss.
Yeah, just big up yourself.
Yeah, man, big
say
up
now
yourself.
hear me now.
Nah, everything good, man, everything good. See?
Ranks, man, I
Since
feel
Fletcher.
now we in a Ranks, but I make you get the money, you know.
May I get it?
Yeah, I get the money, man.
Alright, boss. May I get it? Me get it now, man.
This man, I'll call on your gun and if you come for your money, yeah? Take me for some food, if you use that.
Pinky,
Jesus.
Pinky, Pinky. Pinky, on your focus. Focus. Question.
So no for me and focus.
Pinky, question. Who are you there?
Me and nobody not there, me one
Pinky.
there.
Yeah, ask you again. 2 slippers. 2 of them are your one.
Yes, it was them. Look at them. Yo,
Pinky, you sure?
I really you there send for
You
me.
sure?
Listen now.
Pinky, you sure? So
And
you
me
alone there?
one day, I me say, listen now. Remember, Jesus Christ. Listen now. Remember say, me there carry belly fear me lose. I come.
You know, lose it. You dash your belly.
No, me name dash you
Just
away.
like how you dash your
Me
belly.
name dash you I lose, me
So me
lose
get
it.
one order for dash your way. I'm going to tell you something. Regardless of dash your belly, me used to enjoy when we used to run up and down in the jungle. So you are going on now. You see, the person who send me fear, I owe him a favor. And I tell you, so you see, favor when I owe him, it's not small, it's big. So I respect the time you used to run up and down in the jungle. So I give you a chance. So you know, when I want you to do for me right now, I want you to take care of yourself. You listen what I say? What I want you to do?
Take on myself.
You know what I say?
Bobby, are you?
Go on, babe.
Jesus Christ, Bobby, what happened?
You don't know, say.
What happened?
You know.
What happened? What wrong? We got thief, Bobby.
But make a thief if you come out of your mouth first,
But
man.
that me know you.
You don't know, say. Wait, no. You don't know, say, me dep on the ends round the road. So me a wait for the cash back jar. Dep on my phone. And look a fool just pull up on me. I'm thinking, all I man, them and me a friend in a youth.
So your friend do this to you, Bobby, when me can never turn that yard. Every day you go buy cash back, Bobby. Bobby, Jesus
Man, them a
Christ.
tell me, say, them want to come back in a game, brother. I'm not dep on that with none of them.
You mad? And when you
And
leave them
and
in jail, none of them never did that for you.
I same thing me look on him and them and tell him say.
Come go look on him. Come go look on him. Come. Oh. Jesus. Take time.
Wait.
Oh, take time. Take your time.
I mean, man.
Father.
I mean, man. No, you wonder what go on, you know.
Yo, you know, easy, you know, my God.
School, man. So you
I
did.
wonder what go on look well, my father.
I tell you, man.
Jaja, you out.
Where you look so? Where you come from?
Jaja.
Eh?
There, man. You know, it's a big man thing.
Mm.
I want to look at thing, I try still. Yeah, I want to look
Why
at thing, I
that
try.
Where you try?
And you need to work out still, you see me? Why? Father, I wonder if I'm a sinner bite me or what. Because I know me evil, you know. But anyhow, I say I want to look at thing, I try still, and you need to work out. You see me? You know, say, you know me and my daughter.
Oh, yeah, man.
Although I not put her in a picture, I not edit him in my life. But I keep him on a level. I know, say, Mama, her birthday today. And I asked my mother to bring her out. And she has like she has skin. Yeah, like she can't go in a drive.
So she has spite or she feel like she has spite?
Boy, I wonder, you know, but I feel like a spite, you know.
But she feel like a you she has spite or you she has spite?
I spite, you know. So anyhow, you know, I not too like the crowd, I not too like the movie, I not too like the party. But I just decide, say, yo, I have to do this.
You try?
So I try, yeah, I try. But it not work out. But I can't say I never try. So I just feel, I feeling back, you know, I want to go shuffling. You know, from here shuffling.
Yeah.
I'm a jar, I'm a charger roll, you know. Yeah, I'm a browning roll. Double cock 14 shooter, one in head and nothing in the chamber.
Mad, right.
But as I do so boom and prep. Yes, I look at things, I'm a boy where a long time I do this, because I just do this. Maybe I have to go Lego tree and ask all that.
That's true, I really
I like how he's not a boy where, you know. But anyhow, what you dealing? Oh God, my friend, man, where the pan? Jaja, yo.
They are family, they are.
Glad to see you, my friend. Where the pan?
You know, say, regular, trying to make a dollar, trying to connect certain dots, trying to, you know, circulate certain things. But
one thing I know about you not pop up unless it's a reason, you know. I know about you, you know, my God.
Right, that's so. But a mission I'm going to send upon. I just want to, yo, and disrespect, I don't know, say, for you get a mission, you have to sort it out and wait. I'm on the account already. And say,
we get mission, we add up a man.
Yeah. You know, I'm say that sitting there in kind of a bubble because I like when people disrespect me. You know, when people pull
but no disrespect still in my general. All the mission I send me upon, you know.
Real talk.
Whole permission, you know.
Real talk.
So you have to just download the right one in my system and tell
you know, and by the girl I myself is sort out.
Oh, the slimmers?
Yeah.
The browners?
Yeah.
If me deal with it, Father, what you say? I download that pan fire a long time and share. You know about it?
No, you know.
You know about it in the street?
No, man, you know, say me is a brother.
You don't check up on Popeye?
No, I'm gonna really check on social media like that. Cause you know me have to stay off of them something. Cause them think there is a, you know, it's a hard life. You know, hold your head down. You know, me as a brother have to look up. Cause you know, phone as a phone have you. You know, much people walk and look up and, but anyway, I'm glad to deal with that.
Father, I dealt
you know
with it,
man.
I not deal with it.
Yeah,
I dealt with it.
Respect, man.
You get what I say?
Confirmation. You
I want to tell you, say, before I dealt with it, when him see me, you want to come like when in shock. You know, when you're current and a person meet up in shock. And before me give it to him, me feel like him passed away before him get it. But me make him get it.
Yeah, I'm going to tell you something, man. You see, me as a person, I like people disrespect me. And disrespect me take it deep.
Feeling where you are, my friend, man.
That's why from them time that if a man's, you know, or anybody will disrespect me a certain way, your number me call. I mean, you know, I'm always grateful for no say. I always just, you know what I mean?
But bossy, you know me not do work and question it. You see me? But you know, say when me reach to him, him say if I made them send, like she not expect a visit from me.
Don't worry about that, man. That's so good.
That's a code.
You know what I mean?
That's a code, boss.
Certain things just left alone. Just do what I do, you do it and everything good.
Yeah, man, that's a code.
You know what I mean? But me have maybe one next 2 missions for deal with in the future because, you know, certain things shift. And when current now, really flow the real way, you know.
Boss, so watch on, man. Not say 40 or 50, man. Anything you saw, say if a few or 3 mission, you know the code already.
Yeah, man.
You see me? No 7 star, no phone.
Well said.
Just link up and I hit that.
Alright. So,
darkness, you know.
Let's step out.
One in the head, you know.
Hold it for that chain.
Hear that?
Right, that's the
big up yourself, here.
Bless up all the way. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Me just come back from the doctor with him like him friend them one of him friend them shot him today. Me no know what go on. If you tell the truth, me no know what. But he alright, he get medication and then something there. He good differently. Yeah.
Girl.
Yeah, mommy, he alright. But me go call her back here. Yeah, man, later. Yeah.
My phone now.
Girl, what happened to you? Me have to dip on the phone. Where you want now?
Girl. How all the things are going right now?
What happened? What?
Where you say me can't stay?
Yeah, you can stay. You know, say you're welcome here anytime. Why problem now?
You see? They are me here a while ago. A man pull gun off of me.
Who do that? Who do that?
Girl.
I want Pinky talk now.
Man pull gun off of me actually. So if you say me can't stay, you say you don't even know how this mean a lot to me right now.
But Pinky,
right now.
Why reason why I'm pulling gun off of you? What happened?
Right now, I'm not supposed to do what I say, you know. I'm not supposed to do what I so I show up front. Alright. Here we go on. See the man who I chat to? Matter of fact, the man who I there with. He come to my yard. And he give me his strap. And say me to hold on pan it. So, I have his strap now, I hold on pan it. And he come back so no. So me I say, hey, you come back so sudden. So when me didn't know, he said, go for the bag. So me go for the bag. And me give him the bag. But the strap never in the bag.
So where strap did they?
The strap did in the house, girl. So you know, say, the man grab me in my neck and shoot me in the wall. So me I say, bad girl not take chuck in a wall and grab in her neck. So I go in the house now. I go for the strap. And I lift up upon him and say, yo, left me yard now.
Lift up the strap on him?
What you mean?
Jesus
and
Christ,
crank you up and say, yo, left me yard.
Pinky, this
I'm not like when man there pull up my thing in my room. Yo, I tell her brother I'm not supposed to do what I say.
Yo,
so I lift up upon him now and I run him out of the yard. I want to say run out like then 10. You know? So then I'm yard good now and I say, one man I tell me say, one night one man I say lift up and one man I say stay. So by the time I go so boom now and come out of the house. And the gunman me buck up in her.
Jesus Christ.
I have to say Jesus Christ. I have to start me have to start to plead to the man. And I see me girl run, look for my head. I run.
You see, so Mama, you can't understand.
Huh?
You can't turn out there, so I'm not talking in the yard. You have to go in the house. Coming on, nobody knows say you're sweaty.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
It's a constant battlefield, yeah. It's a spiritual field. Yeah. You can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstars. You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember when the church was a place for finding peace. Now the pastor have me strapped with bees. Same not no time just to call police. Cause them take too long to reach. And I remember when the liquor used to get the least. Now them in struggle for eat. Cause see that body's the end thing. Good is how the system. Right that's how the system reads. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're fighting for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstar. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Who will take the blame? Who will make a change? I think about the greater ones who fought for us. Oh, I wish I could keep in touch. Now it's our turn to keep the fire burning. Now it's our turn to keep this fire burning.
You can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war.
We are the spiritual superstars.
Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for.
Thank you. Okay. When I understand how you live down in your house and I sleep like that and you know some man out there look for you. You sleep like your baby. What go on? Girl, me not sleep last night, you know. I couldn't sleep.
Me not go nowhere. So what you want me to do? Me dey in the house, knock up in the mama. So what you want me to do? Me not have to sleep. Me have to sleep, you know.
Me not say you not have to sleep, you know, but you sleep like you're stress free, like nothing not go on. You sleep like so your environment alright. When you not alright, Pinky, people know say me your friend. People know say we close. And if they not find you, they will come here so. So we have to be careful and know what we are do, girl. And you lay down in there and sleep like say everything alright when you know say nothing no good.
So what on there? Oh, me feel little and sleep stress free. And are you fully gonna have a man? Eh? Are you fully gonna have a man?
I
It
know
come
me.
like say, you know, want me to sleep. Girl, if me not sleep, you know, this will mad me. I'm not gonna see that if I don't not pray, I'm not gonna see it.
Mama, me never say me want to see your mother or anything. Me just say you sleep, you dey sleep like say nothing not go on in your surrounding. When you know say you aisle the palm board, palm chopping board.
Hello. Let me tell you something. If you never sleep, never sleep. Because a whole heap of things depend on this brain here. You understand? But what make you girl, nobody now stop you from sleep. Nobody no knows some day or so. So what problem?
You never know what can happen. Me have to have 1 year up and 1 year like. Matter of fact, I 2 of them up in.
What you telling me?
Me not tell you nothing, but me tell you say you just be careful, girl. I can't just asleep. So suppose me go up on the road and somebody come here, come knock down the door or something.
Hello. Be careful now. Eh?
Me see what go on.
You
Me
touch me,
understand.
jump up. That's to show you that I'm not sleep dead.
Me understand what go on so now.
Girl, I make it sound like say you want me let your place, girl. I say make it look like say you want me let your place, guy. It's just like you more half energy right now and you look good at all. Like you just want to tell me something go on, but you just put in a one nice style.
Pinky, me and your friend, girl. If me did want to tell her say if you go on, me could have tell her from yesterday when you come on me yard. Me could have tell her say me no want to ya. So, but me still put up your ya.
So what make me sleep concern you know that me?
What you mean what make you sleep concern me, Pinky? Pinky, you sleep like say nothing not go on. I saw you sleep from last night. This morning I get up, baby, go back in my bed, go sleep, girl. Like that me I talk about.
I have a strong feeling. Say we go and go make people they know say I saw me there. Me have a strong feeling say we do it, you know. You see it, you come out of nowhere.
If me did want that, me do it long time.
No, people they ain't me they not sleep. What kind of style of
Yeah, go like say people don't really listen to my yard.
You know what kind of friend I see you be, you know?
What kind of friend? Me is a good friend to pick up you in the first place because you go dragon off of people. And me a good friend to pick up you and have you in my house with me one room with me and my man. So me is a good friend. Some friend now do that. Some friend I go tell us go on by your business because my man there. But you there
kind of serve my purpose. I put him out.
Not because your man serve purpose and you go drag on a family. You're an ungrateful girl. You're ungrateful because that the man that take care of you. He make sure say you're alright. He make sure say you have a place. And now you turn on go drag on for him. No, who a bad person now? Who a bad person? Me or you?
Listen. So you rather take man lick too because a person that take care of you go sit down and take man lick. The man choke me and shove me at the wall.
And must a reason why the man do that.
Because
you take out the man weapon all time back. You must expect so the man go get upset over a world situation and you looking at the situation yourself. Somebody give you something to put on, then come back feed, is something in the bag. What you expect them all do? Them all feel like so you play around, girl. Come on.
He could have said be just 1 feet and come back. Why you chop me? I should have bust a shot in the head.
You should have boxed in your face.
No boy
because you should take out the man weapon. Me don't show you how to do it already and everything. And then you take out the man weapon and go put it somewhere else. Just should do that thinking.
Uma, this is well, the man come like a one.
Me and the man come like a one. That's why they say sorry for Marga dog turn around and bite you.
Lucky. Yeah, German Shepherd.
Nothing Bulby. What happen? I don't know why you never want me follow you go a doctor.
Can't manage the excitement of your style sometimes. I just can't manage your style enough. Right now, if you see certain things or you hear certain things or that be nice, you have to start me. Because I don't on that right now, you know.
I just want to be there more just want to be there for you. That's the thing.
There's nothing wrong with that, but can't manage the excitement. Yeah. That's why you're tough in the street, you know. I real life.
So that's what to do with me.
Nothing to do with you, but can't manage that right now.
Bobby, like how this happened to you, right?
Yeah.
What you have in your intention? What up on your mind? Because I know you're in a Bobby. I know you stay.
Right now, you see it. You see how long you try to avoid the bombard problem and the one bag of friend, and you see it. And me try to avoid the trouble always. That's why me the old people always say trouble set up like rain for you, you know, because I want me to avoid all light, you know, and come like say more me avoid the more them up boy try push certain energy for me. But what you know? Let's go normal still.
Let's go normal. Bobby, I'm not sure say no.
Oh man,
No, you might see me and laugh, you feel like a joke, man. But I'm serious, Bobby, I know you.
Right now I feel like say street I call me back, I swear. I feel like the street is calling me now, cause
Listen to me. You see what happened to you last year? Do me I beg you, no make you reach you this year again.
yes, sir.
Because I can't manage it up and down with you in a jail, Bulby. I can't take it stress. You understand? I don't have no money already.
That.
You see me a struggle.
Yeah, but you can see me avoid that even money me not have because I see same thing and me I try to stay up on the right path. And it come like say more me try and more things happen to me cause that makes sense, yeah man, it makes sense. Me just boy, I don't even know, yeah man. Makes sense, me just normal, anything happen, just happen. Tell you the truth.
Anyway, I have something to tell
What that?
you. Pinky there on her yard. She stay here so for some time.
And what happened to your yard?
You know, say something good on around her yard.
So make a yes, you have to bring her.
And then me bring her, she come here, but true, you know, so me and her friend, me they help her.
All of them are the same thing, you know. The man and his friend, all of them are the same thing, you know. All of them are the same thing.
What you mean, all of them are the same thing?
Then remember, say, you know. After your man first come tell me boy want me and come back, come do apps and come back in that thing, you know. And then Fletcher come back and come shot me, you know, because I see him like the two of them planning before they come to me, you know. I'm not trust them move there, you know. And I woman, you know, where they sleep, put head head to head and one bag of something. You see me? This, but you know, right now, I don't know, you know, but I don't feel like more time in my heart still, you know.
Bobby, I'm a friend. You can't do that. I'm a friend. It's something good on like, alright, let me tell you what really happened. A guy with her boyfriend come here, give her a weapon for put on, right?
I have too much explanation still, you know. I don't want to hear about them, you know. Because right now, I pray all of them. And you see, if I name it, I pray them, I deep pray me, I pray them.
Then listen what me have to say now. If you don't listen to me, I say, oh, you got
your friend still, you know, my friend. I not tell us if you go tell a friend if you left up if you are, but I not stay there still, you know. You see me?
So where you go stay?
No worry yourself, man. I have places.
Yeah, places. What you mean you have places there? And put me in a Bobby.
No, nothing like that. Me have places though, but you know, and I nothing like where you think about.
Nah, think about nothing. Anything you say. But just know say she have to stay so for some time.
Nah man, free man. Nah, stay there still. You me this me have to check up and still and see if you're good, you know. More something around the yard if you want to go feed.
What else?
But you put something over your yard, man.
What you put over my yard?
Something.
Bulby. You hear how much time me call the name? You hear me and warn you, Bulby. Stay out of trouble. Stay, Bulby, me not laugh at them, no.
Just I tell us to stay far from certain energy too. And stay your yard, not too good. You can check your piece of food to land. And maybe call up to a family shippers them from back overseas and sit down for them and ship piece of food for me and certain things. So a piece of food for land and I have to check. You know what yourself, man, you turn up back in Spain.
Anything you say, yeah, but be careful.
Man. If you know, you have to know, just get out of your place and tell man to don't chat. Your friend, come on, don't check you.
Alright, and go and go rest the foot, man. Watch ya. Come and walk.
Like a style. Imagine if they come here and you know show me certain vibes. Let me make them tell that. That's what this thing said now. So you don't love me anymore. You can't give money. Okay. So true. With the pregnancy and know the dirty dog, and you stress me out. And that's how you use against me. So me dash for the belly. What do you mean by what I call her? Listen to me now. Me need protection. So you see that what I said for me? No one protect me, need protection. Or if you go call him and make him know some is there things, I'ma lose your baby. Eh? You hear me at it up? Alright, don't play with. I hear you really hang up on me.
Pinky, alright, listen to me, I have to say, just listen, no say nothing, just listen. Me and your friend, and we are come from a far away, and me love you as a friend, me care for you, you understand? But, you see this whole drama thing we are going, this whole setup or whatever, me not even really know, me not care because my brain not even really there so right now. You see, all of this we are going, Pinky, me feel like me in a light. Me feel like I want chop. You understand? Me not safe to have you here so because you don't know say for your man and in people them go for Bulby what they are shot him or whatever, you understand? So for you the here so him feel like say a set up thing so you can't go stay here.
Huh? What you say?
Me say you cannot stay here, you have to go away. I don't run here nothing, but you have to find somewhere where safer and comfortable for you. Yes, I'm not safe for you because anything can happen, any sort of move can make Pinky. They know say me and your friend and I feel me place I first place them won't come.
Yo. Have you gone for me now?
So what? A chat me? Oh! So true, me show you how to use the gun or something. You turn around and come use it back for me. Eh?
Relax, girl.
Then why you tell me say I have the gun?
I say the fool man, me say. Now come out now and have a gun. You don't must take, you supposed to walk up in a police, girl. Eh? And that me I talk about, you know. I know say, in a real life, when man that come here and come at me yard and I disrespect you most kind of way, and I disrespect you, and I pick up you, you know what I should pick up for you?
What do you mean by that?
You see, you is not a good friend, we should pick up you, we should make the girl class, we should class.
Alright, me and a good friend, why you never run to Amanda first then? Why you come at my place? Since me and a good friend.
You're not a good friend.
Hmm?
Yeah, it's not a
If
good
me
friend.
never did a good friend, you would sit down on my bed there start talk right now. Yo, that dear Amanda.
That's fine today. It's like how you put me out in the streets now, you know my situation. Just make sure say you not call back this a girl here.
Pinky, you don't understand.
Come here,
You don't
go
understand.
outside, you know that
Pinky,
you know.
you need to relax yourself. Because you put yourself in this situation, you know. Nobody never send up to go do what you do, you know. You understand? Me in my ass there fire right now. And with you there, so my head there on the chopping board. It now go walk up, Pinky. Me and your friend. And I put you out in the street for people hurt, but me I put you. You just cannot stay here, so you're not safe.
Yo, me should
None,
expect
sir.
no better for you, you know. You might look out if man come to kill me. We should even trust another, you know. Much as we are lead on yourself to chew, you know. So after that time, sit down and quote say, you're not to be trusted. Anyway, let me tell you something right now. Let me tell you something. You see this whole thing we are going, you feel like your man a beat and you love it. Because there is no way me go make a boy choke me and push me in a wall and lick up my head. And me not do nothing about it.
Alright, you see, you the look on the situation as him. Alright, remember say you put yourself in that spot there, you know. Remember saying give you something to put on, you know. And you move from where him put you, you know. So him go feel a weird, him go feel offended, him go feel like say you're threatening him, Pinky, him go feel like say you're turning your back on him because me figure something. And say make it stay in this, I just take out something out there. And then you go behind my back and go put it something different place. Me not go feel like say you disappoint me. Me go want fight you, me go want custom, me go want raise my voice after you.
Bye.
believe say girl know say man I man. My friend man set me up, you know. I really have a right yard and know say me I go come there, you know. Me I go do now. Cha. Just remember, say this a boy have something for me. Hey Perry, can't hear from you for any time there. What go on? Thing good? You know, say the same something the way the link me for me a link back for do. Cause yeah, right now no. Acha no. My youth, you know me can't explain too much to you, bro. Just no man. No say so. Yeah. Acha no. Me I want to, you see me? Cause me have something to go deal with and me don't even want to load up, it just no sir. Nothing like that, man. Me I try my best, my G. My you know say I try youth. I don't like something you just say, you know, you remember say, you know, if you need link me and tell me say remove no do so, you know. And you see if me need do so right now me that my foot to that alright, you know. I dead me could have did at the moment, you know, bro. Trade even know you. Every day I think about the bad man. Or yourself, man. Right now, I the catch stick me dash way, you know, cause watch man, me have to work out back my foot and something, man. You have to come in back, man, cause watch man, the blood me having on my eye right now, you know. Yeah, man. The whole that we used to fall, me go all... no. Just me get to something there, cause right now me I get... no. Alright. That no sound bad. Early. Make you reach. Me call her back, look more show you one next bad pre. So but look more me shout you. Alright.
How the hell it says? Like you don't know my thing come down already.
Anyways, me know some me, you know, of the sister and brother connection with a real close like that. But what I do want a favor.
Talk to me, walk on. Right now, I just come off a ship. And right now, I feel nice and everything. As you can see, it's a new whip. You understand?
So they got money.
What you say you talk to me about?
Alright, so I want to come stay with you for some time.
Watch you, man. Jaw breaks. What you say a while ago?
Jaw breaks, like a bike and carry jaw breaks.
Sis, what do you mean by come stay with me? I slow, you want to slow down my progress? Sis, you see with you now. You see your bike where you ride, you know no clutch pan it. You understand? You need to get a clutch pan your bike. Because you need to slow down. When me bring you on my footer now, you go slow down my thing. Remember, say me out there for live a wild life in the street and I have to go and do my thing and watch the street, you know. So I can't go bring you on my foot, sis. I have to just go and clutch. You're my sister, you know. You're my blood sister, but and I style me, I style you. But you have to just understand me, I try to say.
Salt, you have some salt.
Me never said that.
Slow you down. So me crosses now.
No, sis, me never said that. You get it wrong. Remember, say me out there for you go and do it right in the street and I try to protect myself. So me can't have you on my foot, my sister.
So what you say? Me can't stay.
You can't stay, sis. You have to just try to see if you can get somewhere and go and relax or something, but you can't really dare my foot at the moment.
just a come off a ship and everything as I
You
tell
not
you
even
already.
ask me what happened. Like it's like you not care. You not ask me what happened. Make me want to come stay with you. You not ask me what happened. You know.
No, sister man. What go on?
You see it.
What go on? You talk to me and me I try to understand
You
what
just
you
rich
say.
and dunce.
Rich and which dance?
Anyways, listen. Me in an argument with you. Listen. You see. Hey, yo. Remember the little man me chat to. Rasta.
Yeah, I remember how we are chat, man.
You know, say, he come my yard and he come my
talk to
yard.
me now, man.
He come my yard and he give me something whole film, right? The whole film and he come back all of a sudden feet, but me did just take it out of the bag and put it down. So the man come now and he say, where they? And start choke me and shoot me in the wall.
Shoot me in the wall?
Yes.
My sister?
Yeah, shoot me head in the wall. So he said, go for it now. So when me go for it, me pop you out on him.
Sis.
And light you up over him.
You see, that's one another thing I try to show you. Say you can't forward on my foot. Because you know no clutch on the bike when you ride. You have to just go and breathe by yourself. You can't really come on me.
So I say my problem is not your problem.
Your problem and my problem, but the one are bigger than me.
So
the bigger than all my car right now.
Whatever bigger your car, me not care, me not give a flying shit. You're the one, the man, if you choke me and kill me, I do nothing about it.
I never said that, but sis, as I said, that the problem is bigger than me. So just try to see what you can do.
So me can't come around there?
No, that me say you can't come around there. You can't come around there, sis. Me try to line up something for you, but you can't come around there.
Hold on there, nice plastic.
So you don't see it and you come like you don't know, say, I tell you, say, where are you, sis? Yo, take that off from me and put it down there.
Let me tell you something.
Where are you?
Let me tell you something.
You know, say that's why I can't carry grow on all my brethren them. Because if them say something wrong to you now and then you go lift up and jaw. I go style my thing and make it look like me now govern my thing. Me out there run wildlife, me don't carry go run wildlife too. Listen. You need to clutch sis.
Shut up!
Get a clutch on your bike.
Shut up and listen to what me I say. You see, and that's why I not like family. Because you see family, I fastest people to bring you down.
Eh? You say put up that.
No want help and you can't help me.
Hey, put up that.
Eh?
Me not like how you swing up that time. Put up that.
Boy, me saw when I'm brother me bust a shot in your head.
And me use the car and drift and lick you over there.
Use the car and drift and lick me over there.
You know what? You see before me catch up, yeah, my sister. You see before me catch up. Hello, easy yourself, here? Easy yourself.
If me can't come my yard, give me the money. Give me the money.
Me say easy yourself. Me here we talk. I don't tell you one thing already.
Me say you feel lucky.
Put up that.
You feel lucky.
Put up that.
Yeah, my brother come just kill her right now.
You know how much of them me have in here, so? In a chunk, yeah? You know how much of them?
Who cares?
Me just a child show. You know how much of them in a chunk, yeah, so? The big one them to the big tall one them.
Just lift up.
Here?
Lift up.
You have one your broad like your eyelash too.
You what you when they say? Family bad mind, family.
Keisha! 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 I want my money, you know. Keisha!
Where
There.
Keisha, there, come in now.
Huh?
Keisha, there, come in, let me talk to you. Come on.
It's on hot. Oh.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Say look, sir.
Oh.
I guess you want up here, sir.
No, sir.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah.
You good, though?
Yeah.
I say, it's been a while since me not so still, you know? You know, some men kind of lay low upon certain circumstances, you know what I mean? So that's it.
No.
Eh?
There.
You just know like you look like you're afraid of certain circumstances like me, you know what I mean?
I'm not
You must
sure.
be a bridge, you know, like that, you know?
We know.
So the family?
That we're alright, but
You alright?
yeah.
So what about?
Ballsy.
One thing.
You don't know, so Ballsy get shot.
You mean somebody get shot?
What do you mean when we mean say Ballsy get shot?
Tell me a bit more now.
Inside the one spot where the one of the boys they come and attack to him and him and tell them say nah go back in the streets.
You can tell that which boys them?
My name again? Griffiths. Griffiths shot him 9 foot.
Griffiths?
Yeah, Griffiths shot him.
So which part boy be there now? You know?
Oh, let me know
You
already.
know, because you know, so really and truly, I don't want to vibe that way, you know, because you don't know anything about, you know, everything will pull through certain speed.
Yeah.
But I want to talk to Bulby still, you know, to can, you know, tell him to shout me on his phone. You know what I mean? Because
I know if you go and shot you know.
So you get shot 9 foot? Or hand?
9 foot you get
9
shot.
foot?
Yeah.
So I run.
Map. Oh, you ask me so much questions?
No, you know, girl, you know, so used to the business and so forth. I mean, know you through them circumstances there, but you don't know anything, though, you know. Even for my girl, you know, when I call her Pinky, she kind of water down for one of the circumstances there, you know. Yeah, I forget that still, because, you know.
Sure, Pinky, they know.
I know, it's not like you know what she did.
I don't know what she did. That's why I asked her what she did.
So last year?
Where's the Pinky from when?
Oh, God.
Around 2 weeks now, I'm not see Pinky.
I'm going to say her 2 weeks now. Oh, yeah, man.
I'm not here for her neither, so
I'm
me.
not
I'm here for her. But you look good though.
Well, me good. Well, you know, circumstances go, you know, but I say, you know, like, things can't work out again.
So what happened? I know you and Pinky close, so I was going.
Everything good.
So you can't tell me what going, remember say, well, we are friends, you know.
Yeah, well, alright.
But at least me show you what going with my
True,
situation. You
true.
must can show me what going with you.
You know, say, she kinda, I'm gonna say no, she feisty and she hotter than and something. You know that, don't you?
You know that,
And the
everybody
question of
knows.
the accent.
Yeah.
So when you get an altercation and, you know, she just, so she move out. And, alright, go on, do your thing. And, you know,
Just that.
Because even place I have to pay rent for, you know, that's what maybe start stealing and so forth. I just make people that me come check. So my friend for years somebody call Keisha, Keisha they're fine. Keisha bingo, because Amanda, see Amanda they help her with like a situation and she get to go.
Oh.
You know. But you know Amanda still house because she have to get her again. You know what I mean? But it's all good, you know, good to see you.
Good to see you too, man.
But if I see Pinky, man, you can show me, know, you know, because you don't
No,
know
I'm not do that if you say you're not no dealings.
No, man, you don't know anything.
Then make she will shout you then. No,
She
you
not
can't do
shout
that.
me, man. She can't shout me.
She can't shout you.
She not
So
shout
why
me.
if me see Pinky, me if you call you and say, hey, Missy Pinky.
No, man, just tell her to give me a call.
Oh,
Simple.
just tell her to give you a
I
call.
know some love to take care of her already. I'm a little pinky rinky that, you know what I mean? But why even me and you still know? What a good thing, so we never do nothing. You know, rum can make things go on a certain way.
Nobody with that, the
So, but we
argument
don't know
there.
about that part, you know?
Hey, what's wrong with you? Nobody
Me
with
ask you a
that.
question.
Listen.
So me see you going so
No,
tight and-
Bulby don't know about that,
You know
the
that?
situation there. So, you don't talk now?
You don't talk. You already go something.
Alright, talk.
You already go something.
No, me not
So we
orphan.
can't make it sound so then, man. Things still can't see the mango drop off a tree and me say all fruits ripe, banana up. You know what I mean? You know, if you want things to still. That
No.
ball be treated good, you know.
All when Bulby not having me still, I go stand by his side.
Well, you know, some me make ball have when
I don't care.
You know, remember that?
I know that.
Yeah.
But me not care. When time Bulby in a jail, where were you? and say you and my friend from school days,
But
the whole of we are
You
one.
don't know a full story that I think.
Then me
The
know
man
a
that tell
full
half
story.
So, when boy be there jail, be there Cuba. What me tell you?
No?
Exactly. Because everybody have them things to do with and thing was to just when him say he want to spend money on you and then what him whole man money man. Jesus Christ. I'm see your body look thick and heavy. You nyam down man.
If me didn't name down Bulby, he would still want me, right? He would have gone.
No, boy, me love you. Yeah.
I love Bulby too.
Yeah, me know. But you have to know, say, and us love can carry so far and you know what I mean?
Stop it. You need to change your
If
look
you rely
dirty
upon love,
ways.
you will broke. You never know that. Love will make you broke, girl, right now.
Listen, remember say I'm Pinky this day. And
We
Pinky,
can't do
me and
again.
Pinky are so.
Everything cut.
Exactly.
You understand?
So I don't know what kind of game you try to play right here, so.
All me I say to you is this. Same thing, boy.
No.
Bossy. Long time I see my
Yeah, David.
Go on now. Can't
Well,
see your foot in general.
Boy, it's a long story, you know. You know hear about it?
No.
You almost got prime time, you know.
So I say you with my father.
See me there on the phone, you over Miss Peggy yard. Only if you know, say boy, them a creep up on me. Me have to take it through Linton Bush. Go dash your phone and want to sell a wall, but when I go down and sell a wall, my foot go lick on one eye, it's stone them. Go up in my foot. Go to all my bone. The good thing is, then I get the phone. So they don't know what me I run for. You see me?
Yeah.
You just tell them I'm scared.
Alright, move your neck. Alright, move your neck.
But then give me some whole palick in the man. I'll fist in my ribs, yes, and yo. I have a whole it to wear upon.
They are my general, so I just circle if you see him something I talk to you about, you know. You know, got it for you know.
You mean the thing there, you know. But one thing, you know. You have to look out your eye, you know. You know, say them boy, they know, say you link with me, you know. You have to open your eye. If your eye open now, you open it wider. Cool?
Cool, my G.
Not real life, when you laugh, you always laugh when me tell you thing, brother.
Yeah, brother, go you talk, brother. You come like a celebrity, whatever you want to name, Bombard. Yeah, broke you up too much, bro. You have to give me straight, brother. I can't manage to talk.
No, you have to make you understand.
Yes, remember me a street man, brother. But how you talk now, you talk it deeper, brother. Like say,
you're street smart, you know.
Bro, eh?
You're street smart, you're book smart. Which one you think smarter?
Boy, two of them smart, you know, but boy, I don't know, you know. Rather street
smart. I don't even know which one smarter, you know. But I just tell you, you're street smart, you know what go on the street. I just tell you, I know a little bit of what go on the street. So I just tell you, say you have your eye open, just open it wider.
No, you hear them father.
Oh, so.
See me up a foul on dog, I want the Fletcher him come shot me, shot me dog. Because they want me to come back in the game, brother.
Fletcher?
Fletcher, you.
Yo, them boy, they robbed me already, you know?
I couldn't believe when the man shot me, you know, because I think
them boy, they are thief. Them boy, they thief $500,000 for me already and tell me, say, client send 100 US. Boy, them boy, they a long time want dirt, them boy, they. See me, I tell you? Open your eye in the street.
No, man, but I never did expect nothing, brother.
A good be a boy, they send police on me yard, you know? A good be a same boy they send police on my place. You see that? Yo, you see if I need a foot, yeah, me go dirt him now. But it's true, me can't up on my foot. Me have to sit down right so.
But my eyes out same way, you know.
Brother, don't take crutch stick me have to dash myself. Because I say, yo, my
Yo.
foot have to jump in fast. Because at early food, we are going, yo, me I make back piece of food, man. Because me and my chat say, oh, if me think water down and one bag of sitting, man. Me also I make piece of food the right way.
Yo.
Man. That's why I come link here now for the same thing there.
When me there saying I press same way.
You mean?
Me nah ease up when ease up off my foot. Me nah ease up off my life. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yo, you see me foot and him, you see some things that me feel reason, you know. I don't feel him time yet. The doctor says 6 weeks. And I know saying 6 week time or 6 feet, 6 in there.
Yeah, man.
You
know,
see it?
Man. Right now,
But
I feel like the page boy for me foot back to you know. Right now,
you can't do it. The last time you send you upon a mission, you know. You tell me, say, you never feel the right energy.
Yeah,
You didn't want to buy supplement.
No, my father, man. I just one shot of rum, I want a cigarette. That's
That you want, you don't want a supplement now.
Man, you don't want no boots in, no, my father.
Alright.
Don't want no boots in. Remember, you know, him shot me, you know, I never me shot him, you know. Right now, my blood
cool.
me carrying on my eye for them, you know.
Here or now. Grow on the CS in my bag. You know my bag stay ready. Just take your time, you know, see if it's in the pony.
Yeah, man, I do it right, man.
Let's do it and forward back. Wait, just 6 weeks now. 6 weeks. Let me see him 6 feet underground.
Yeah, John.
So we back there?
No, sir, I don't want no bag in my father. I got the yes right now, because I can't walk in no bag right now, my father. Because anything can play on my side again now. I not run no more loose move, you know.
You're not touching on my money at my bag.
You're mad, my father, man. You know my thing different already now, my father, man. You know for me thing different, man. No.
The same thing Fletcher said to me.
Oi. I'm sick. Nobody, yo, I tell you, how far away I come from.
That's
man. Nobody foolishness.
Alright. Fletcher did tell me say we are forward front all the time. But cool, man. Do the right thing as me say, you know. You have a craving here already. Just get your rum. And I do that.
Alright, father, I'm mad up my thing and link them up here.
Yeah, when you forward back, we link Africa now, we got them. Zane? No, man, no worry about no food, man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, look, some sacrifice you to make a money.
been redirected to the mailbox of the number 187. You have been redirected to the mailbox of the number
One of them, man.
187.
If you have business and one more time you try call up. I'm gonna link you up on your yard.
You have been redirected to the mailbox of the number 1876.
My favorite thing, capacitive cards. Only one knows saying play games. Alright, I'll check it.
Coloring. Yo, coloring. Coloring. Someone in the
Coloring. Coloring. I like how my people here, they didn't even did it neither, you know. We start talking again to bombard.
Acha. That's a surprise. Yeah, dude.
Yeah, man.
Think good?
You have touch me, yeah, Musa.
That's my how you move, so?
Mm.
Let me get things look so, brother. I want my friend for a long time.
Friend.
Eh?
Friend. And I hold on the plan and set me up and I can talk about friend.
What you mean by that, brother? What you talking about? Eh? Me have virgin, me have friend.
Brother,
Most things me help you with. You one of the man. Most things me help you with, bro.
Help.
What you mean say help? What you talking about?
Jaja God. I realize say hold on, you know. Hold on, you play mind game for me, you know. Hold on, you know. Yo, listen to me, man. Remember say yo, I first man come to me and tell me say want make up on the app.
Yeah.
Yo.
Alright. You don't make money.
Me no make bad man. No make no remember listen me no man. Are you I first man come tell me about apps. I'm telling you say me nah go on none with you no. Me nah go on none with them. Me change my life, me change everything about me. And I wanna make me have to youth, me I'll get shot for youth.
What do you mean you get shot? I saw me I hear, brother, I never know about certain things. Eh?
I hear a friend do it too, you know. Whole I know a friend, you know. Whole I know do it, you know. I be a mind game, yo. Your own friend, you know. Yo, I hear a
friend too.
My friend. My friend. Chana man. My friend now pull no gun for me, you know. All joking done when he shoot off of me and shot me, you know. All joking done, you know. When you pull up on me and shot me, you know.
Brother, uno pull up on you.
A mind game play. A mind game I play with you know.
So make you check on them button. How? Eh?
How go on?
You plan to get back in the game, how?
How go on?
So yeah, so what?
How go on?
No, but you know, so him one man where for you check him, you know, say apps are certain things that happen right now. So me I say, what you checking for? Brother, talk to me, man. Talk out your mouth now. Yo, I don't understand why. It's like, yeah, make it seem like, say, boy, things are going on, I don't know. But me used to get shot. You understand me? I say, I want to shout you. Because I see for your woman enough, your woman reason with and you know what I mean? The way she look
so your woman a reason for you, but woman, what you reason
woman
for?
Yo, you know, so she has a power and a Keisha. But you know, so I run some of my people there. See? So she round there and I see her and I say, you know, what going on? So she tell me about you. You feel say, when I just hear certain things, I'm done tell some woman, you know, say my boy.
I go see my woman later, you know. So I tell him already say, yo, I don't want to in no dealings with none of you right now, you know. Right now, right now, yo, the best thing you do, you know, right now, you know, I just go on and allow me, you know, because watch out, you notice, you come see me in a chatting, be a chatting with me right now. I'm in the part of chatting with no man right now, you know. A business I come to and he come like say, yo, I watch me and I watch out my life, you know, say me I go there, say you come ask me when me come to him man.
What do you mean watch out your life? Watch what you saying, yo, nigga, what you talk about? I mean, boss you in the game, you know.
What you talk about?
What mean say what me talk about?
What you talk about?
What mean brother?
What you talk about?
What you reason certain way,
so what you talk about?
So what you do?
No, what you talk about?
You better laugh, I must joke you make. Eh?
Yo, watch out man. Make sense to move, you know.
Let me say make sense. Yo!
Brother, so what you kiss at you for? How when your foot broke?
So you would never know say my foot broke. Much day now my foot broke, me just as you.
You see it at this sweet family, they just love judge. They just love judge. How if you know say your foot broke? Eh? Imagine your foot broke and you not call me and tell me nothing. That's how we live.
Good. But say me and Kachi connect them way there, you know. And I use set it by you spread the bed, so, you know. So you can't say me did for link you when you gone about your business I did your thing, you never link me. You see me?
Never
So you
host.
set it that way there.
Never
So
host,
me
I
and
never
a tree
life.
connect so.
Never host, I never life, right? Huh? Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You see when things like them are happening, you have to call me and tell me.
You're good, man.
You no matter if me ain't no close or what the way you want to call it, call me same way. Anyways, me then I want a little situation, you know.
Huh?
I'm a talk about one big situation. And
So, only when you there in a situation or some problem, you know me there.
I mean, you can chat. So, me say, you see, your chat was on how.
Only when
how we
you're
had
in
a
a
chat.
problem, you want to find my doorstep.
You're going to hear me out or you just going to yap.
That way you talk.
Remember a little Rasta boy me I deal with.
What do him now?
You know, say.
Or why you do him?
Just listen to man that we there now. You know, say, come on, me yard and you say.
Our father. Yeah. See all them dog there, them boy there. You see them boy there. You didn't even know.
He come on me yard and he give me one strap for the whole half him, right? And the whole half is strap for him. And he come back so sudden. Then the time I take out his strap and put it down on one part. You understand? So when he come back to me now, he go in and back and say, how is strap there? So me I say, me take you out of your bag and me put you up. You know what a man do? A man give me a choke there and shove me head in the wall. So he
So
said,
what you
go
do?
feet now. So what I know when he said, go feet now, I go back round the feet. And when I go feet, I pull out the pan him and say, yo, I'm bust a shot in your head. So talk the truth now. Talk the truth that God love. But if you make the man choke me and push me in the wall, nothing about it. Eh?
So what you do? What you do?
Me say me chase him from my yard with him own a gun. And that me do.
Hold on. Hello. Alright. Yeah. So my client to call me right now because only me a deal with an idea. Where's the gun? Continue. You choke him or him choke you?
A man choke me and shove me in the wall.
And you go for the gun and you not shot him?
Me not shot him.
You know say you want to hear that? All the time that you come round you did want to hear that? Him do that to you and you have a gun and you not shot him?
Listen to me. Now is not the time to go and talk about if me shot him for if me not shot him.
What you think them call me Tugger for? You think
Listen.
no boy could have done me that a road and he not dead?
Brother, your name Bigfoot Tugger now. You just relax yourself. Because if a man come and say right now, come.
No, all when me dey on me 1 foot. None of them can come here, sir.
Me can't talk, me can't deal with this right now. You see, this broke foot, all the tribulations and what you go through, you have me now, everything good. No one to stay with you.
You want for what?
No one to stay with you. Your sister want to stay with you.
Me good.
Huh?
Me no need no company. And me have my phone apart. Me no need nobody else.
What you say do good?
Me
That
good.
means so, what on
Me say me good. Me no need no company.
Hold on there. So me now, you know I'm my last option. Hold on, you're my last option. I have turned me down like this.
Me no want to run me youth. Cause you idiot dog. Man can squeeze the throat, should be in a wall. I water down my thing. Now. Everybody knows say you're my sister. And you move so soft. You water down my thing, youth. And I make me thing look weird, brother.
I have money for you.
Yeah, yo.
Yo. Let me tell her this.
So, I shot you one, shot me now, to me tell you the raw truth.
Let me tell her something. What they say blood thick and what? Answer me! What they say blood thick and what? Blood thick and what?
I shot you pull up gun to shot me.
Blood thick and water, but now I realize the water thick and bombard blood. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You know something not so right, you know.
So, you pull up gun to shoot me.
Shut your mouth. You make me stay. Or you make me stay. Or me can't stay.
Me tell you one thing already, my mouth not change.
You know what's no sense? You don't have no sense. Toga! Brother! I want me get myself in a... Brother!
Bronx since there.
What going with me and Bronx?
I tell you, say me no Yam Bronx, you know, chatting.
No.
Remember say, them set me up and watch a man. When the day tell me say, woman there, and me tell her say, you make. You know, want him around here or something. What you think me mean say she alone me mean the whole of them.
Bobby, listen to me. A man see me one time I go look for Keisha. Cause you know some me and Keisha are friends like that. So I go to her for something. She not did them. Me see him and me and him start reason.
You hear what you say? You go look for Keisha. Keisha you see and a reason with.
No, but him just pop up out there.
No man, just what kind of man suppose a killing come to kill her. You didn't know if a killing come to kill her. You are chatting with man.
The man ain't come to kill me.
You know that. You can't read a man's mind.
Me can't read a man's mind, Bobby, but he ain't look like he come to kill me.
He look like. So what me look like? You like me come to kill you?
Yeah, you come like you come and suffer in an argument with me and that you look like. Since you want argument you get.
You know say in a real life though. I respect you and never disrespect you.
But me not disrespect you.
Listen me man, listen me talk man. Never disrespect you, but you come like say, you know your levels car. You so man in some dealings and you want chattings with them. You come like you link with the enemy now. How are you feel? How are you going?
Bobby.
How are really going?
Bobby, me not link with no enemy. What
so
you talk
where
about?
you tap a road a chat to a man when me dey ever to rate again cause
If
one of
a
them
man
set
see
me up.
Alright, if a man see me something and say Rupsams, mama, the man a talk to me, so me I do. What me fi do?
One question. So if me never know you and me couldn't see a road and talk to you same way, a Rupstraps.
Bobby, me not understand. Where you come off with, Bobby? Because what you say right now don't make no sense, you know. Because if me did want whatever I name, I not even remember your name, me could have done with him instead of you. But me chose you.
Chose me? Let me go do with you.
What you mean what you go do with me? And when me gonna do with you? Remember say you not really give me nothing, Bobby. Remember say me I go choose.
Say reason why you never did get nothing that you me come out of the game. And you know that too.
Me know that, man, but now
step in back man, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself man. You get everything you want. China man just avoid certain people and avoid the link where you link with. Cause I realize you link with be a man that I not rate, you know. And be a people I not rate, you know.
Where you talk, bro?
Yeah man, you know me a chat, bro.
Come to me straight, Bobby, because what you say, I be a shit chat out there more right now.
Yeah, let's sit here for
Bulby.
Lucky some respect you for true, you know. If you lucky some respect you for true, you know.
Where you come up here for?
Me I go cut any minute now still. No worry
Go
yourself.
on.
Me just see
Go
her
on.
say. Just say me I come get a link.
Why you sense you can link me in an argument with me for?
Argument with them, I just go ask some one question, but a normal period that you tell me a thing and I take it as that, so you must know, you know.
At that, if you don't believe in your business, what is a relationship without trust?
Last thing me I ask you. Think you left your yard yet?
Our.
Just want to know say think you left your yard because you left for your own still, you know.
What do you mean by me left on my own? I don't understand, you know.
Normal pre man, me a circle.
Go on. You need to go rest your foot. Every minute you up and down on your foot. Go rest and relax yourself and take certain things off of your mind.
Yo. Vice note. Yo, wait there. Come book, yo. Me have something to do with me right now. You know what I say? The boy named Bulby. Shoot off for me, brother. No man, don't catch me, but you're on lean. Going out of practice. Yeah man, why you deal for me? Deal with him for me. Just like I deal with Pinky. See? Yeah man. No matter how much it costs, man, a man can't shoot off of me and see that breed. You're mad? You're sick? Yeah. Just shout me when you get it done, yeah? Me don't know what me there. But bush. Yeah, but close to your yard, me there. Just shout me, yo, deal with it for me now. Tide. You hear me say? Tide.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
It's a constant battlefield, yeah. It's a spiritual field. Yeah. You can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstars. You can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for. Cause I remember when the church was a place for finding peace. Now the pastor office strapped with bees. Same on the time just we call police. Cause them take too long to read. And I remember when the liquor used to get the least. Now them ain't struggle to eat. Cause see that what is the end thing? Good is out the system. Right there so the system reads. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're fighting for. Because you can't find peace unless you win the war. We are the spiritual superstars. Can't find yourself unless you know what you're standing for.
Who will take the blame? Who will make a change? Are we living in a mental phase? When I think about the greater ones who fought for us, oh, I wish I could keep in touch. Now it's our turn to keep the fire burning. Now it's our turn to
Strap it, please. Drop it. Say what? Can't find peace unless you win the war.